How to take screenshot on Realme device without using the power button. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can take a screenshot on Realme device without power button. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The first option is through your quick settings panel. Swipe down from the top to open your quick settings. And from this available option, search for screenshot icon and then tap on it. And that will screenshot your device. If you could not find in here, tap on the pencil like icon. Here, search for this screenshot and you have to add that to your or hold or drag that to your quick settings panel. But in case if you cannot find it here, then go through the settings. Open up settings in your device. Scroll down, head over to System. On this system, tap on Gesture. Once you're here, there's an option as three-pointer screenshot. Tap on it. Turn on this toggle here. Once you turn on the switch, now you can use the three-pointer screenshot. For that, you have to swipe down with your three fingers on the screen to take a screenshot and then the screenshot will be taken. That's it. That's how you can screenshot on Realme without power button. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.